Folks, come on over. We're going to do a special wagon for an Easter Bunny family right here on my take on Home and Garden. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. I've started this floral wagon. You've seen them before on our channel. The Easter Bunny family. Too good, right? Now, we're featuring this wagon full of tin, the old-fashioned tin lithograph eggs. Okay, these are available on Amazon, and we'll link it in the description box below the video. Even the bottom has a little floral depiction or print on there, litho print. And I love the size of these. You saw the smaller size Angela got me for Christmas. This is the bigger size, and I've been looking for the older Victorian ones that are even bigger than this, but these I'm really pleased with, and the price. So check it out. They could be for the grandkids. They could be stuffed with goodies, you know, candy, money, credit cards, whatever your means are. And I just thought I'd get this started. We have a base of pine as usual. And I gotta fill this bed in with roses. So let's take a look. It'll be quick and painless. Finish filling this. Different roses. You see I've got white, pink cheeked ones. I got some wedding ones that I use from time to time. All kinds of different. I've got several bins open to see what I might want to use, you know. And we're gonna come up with a cute little bunch of these, oh, what are they, colored daisies? Get them out the back. Get some dimension in here. Some different colors. Plenty of these. You've seen me use these before as a fill for a basket. You know, they were a reasonable bunch that I cut apart like I talk about. And that's what you want to use for fill. You don't want to be filling something with your real good stuff. But these are perfect, and they look pretty darn good. How about some ball dahlia? I thought would make this really cute. Let's get them up here so I can see. Here's a whisper of pink baby's breath. Hard to find. Here's the ball dahlia. Look how cute. Now I'm going to get you excited because I'm going to put one in the wagon here. This is where we're heading now, okay? This is why this is going to be extra good. See if these are too loud. Kind of liking the spring colors of these. And they're like, oh, a parrot tulip or a peony. I guess they're a peony. I'm really liking that. Oh, we do have hydrangea. I'd like to get that element in as well in the back. And again, we're more concerned about having enough room for the eggs. The flowers are kind of our background to show off the tin lithograph eggs this time. So I want something pretty behind as well. Oh, there is another one of these. I think I really wanted that. Like if you look at this from one angle, okay, I'm working on the back and this is the display side, because that's how it's going to end up where I put it. And I'm going to take you with me to see that too. I thought these rose hips were too good. Let's try them. Coming off the high side, top, back, maybe. Now let's try our eggs. Man, you see this grin. They're so... Oh boy, these are so good. Look at these. And the rabbits have suits and jackets and oh my goodness. Look how quick. I was afraid this was going to be quick, but some of you out there really like that, so it won't hurt your feelings, right? Let me do a last minute tweak on this. There is another one of the... Okay, now I can use one in the front. That's going to give me some balance. I'm going to take these, place them, and show you all around. Guys, thanks for coming over for the latest Easter project. We got a lot more to come. Take care, everybody. Be good. Get your happy Easter on. And we'll see you in the next amazing, beautiful decorator and collector video. Take care, everybody. See you soon.